In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download Skype on Android phone. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your Play Store. Here we go. At the top you can see the search bar. Type there Skype and then tap on search. Now here at the top you can see the Skype app has appeared. Now on the right corner you can see this option of install. Tap on it. You have to wait for a few seconds. You can see that now it is in the process to be downloaded. This is very easy and simple process. After it is downloaded, you just have to tap on open and it is ready to use. In this way, you can easily download Skype on Android phone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen and I will see you there.